Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to find a job easily on LinkedIn. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create a profile. Once you are logged in, click on the Jobs tab located at the top of the page. This will take you to the Jobs section where you can explore available opportunities. LinkedIn provides personalized job recommendations based on your profile and preferences. You will see top job picks tailored to your skills and experience, such as Senior IT Project Manager, and Project Manager focusing on digital literacy and tech enablement. Scroll down to explore different job collections categorized by sectors like education, nonprofit, small businesses, and remote positions. These collections make it easy to find roles in specific industries or job types. LinkedIn offers suggested job searches based on popular job titles such as Marketing Manager, HR, Legal, Sales, and more. These suggestions can help you discover relevant job opportunities quickly. For example, if you are interested in becoming an analyst, click on this option to view all available analyst positions. You can scroll through the list to see job details and requirements. If you want to explore more job options, go back and refine your search criteria. You can search for specific roles like project manager or explore categories like remote work. Click on the remote work category to find job listings offering remote work arrangements. Each listing provides comprehensive information about the role, allowing you to assess if it is the right fit for you. LinkedIn also features job listings from nonprofit organizations. These roles often offer a chance to make a positive impact while pursuing your career goals. If you are interested in the finance sector, you can explore job opportunities in areas like banking, investment, and accounting. LinkedIn offers a wide range of financial services roles to explore. Take your time to review the details of each job listing, including responsibilities, qualifications, and company information. When you find a job that interests you, you can easily apply directly through LinkedIn. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.